Hey there, welcome back to iUShop YouTube channel, and this is my Redmi 4X. It is running on ColorOS 16 based on Android 16 right now. So let's set up the ROM and then I will show you the features of it. After first installation and setup, the ROM lags a bit. For example here. After using for almost an hour, the ROM becomes normal. Let me show you the about page of this ROM and then I will show you the Easter egg. As you can see, it is based on Android 16, which is the latest from Oppo as of now. This ROM also has some AI features like AI search and all. These work perfectly fine. Now about the bugs, it has Bluetooth and fingerprint bug as well as brightness bug. Let me show you, even if the fingerprint sensor option is available, it doesn't work. As you can see, the QS panel looks modern and awesome as well. Now let's talk about the camera. The video and picture quality is way better than stock. Let me show you the picture I just captured and you can see the quality of it. This ROM has all the modern features of ColorOS 16 and it is a Chinese based ROM, so you can install Play Store manually. Overall, this is a heavy ROM, so it may lag sometimes, but it is fine if you want to daily drive it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more content like this.